This video tutorial I will cover Spring Expression Language. The Spring Expression Language is similar like OGNL, which means Object Graph Navigation Language, and JSF Expression Language. Spring Expression Language is evaluated or executed during the bean creation time. And Spring expressions are available via XML or annotation. OGNL stands for Object Graph Navigation Language. This expression language is using for getting and setting properties of Java objects. Using this expression language, we can do list projection and selection and lambda expressions. Here I have defined the class address. It has two properties, city and state, and getter and setter methods for these two properties. Here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has four properties, ID, name, employee state, and address, and getter and setter methods for these four properties. And here I have overridden toString method. This is the Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates address object. Then it creates employee object, and ID value of employee object is set as 100. Name value will be set as Peter, and here using Spring expression language, we have mentioned address bean should be injected to address property. So this address bean will be injected to address property of employee by Spring container. Here we have mentioned using Spring expression language, state value of address will be injected to employee state, and state value is Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu value will be injected to employee state by Spring container. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container, and displaying the employee object. Here you can see the output, and here you can see the employee object. ID is set as 100, name is set as Peter, and employee state is Tamil Nadu, and address object is injected to employee.